Hi students, in GK today we will start the page number 33 chapter 20. The topic is famous Nobel laureates. Before starting this page, I would like to give some information about this topic here, that is Nobel laureates. First of all, you know about what is Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is a set of international awards given in several categories. This award is not giving for one category, it is given for several categories like chemistry, literature, peace, physics, physiology or medicine. So who started this Nobel Prize? This prize is started by a Swedish chemist, engineer and an industrialist, Alfred Nobel, in 1895. This prize means for an award of greatest benefit to the mankind. Prize consists of a personal diploma, a medal and a cash award. Now you know about this Nobel laureates means. Nobel laureates means the people or the organization awarded with the Nobel Prize are called Nobel laureates. This award is given for the outstanding contribution for humanity in chemistry, physics or other subjects like physiology or medicine. It may be sometimes some personalities or sometimes an organization. Example for organization is our Red Cross Society. This society or organization was awarded 3 times this Nobel Prize. Now there are many Nobel laureates in the world. Among them 950 laureates are there and 590 prizes were distributed in different categories. In our chapter or our topic there are given the pictures or some famous Nobel laureates. We have to identify their name with the help of the clue box given below it. Now let's start one by one from this page. See who is the first personality. The first personality is Satoshi Omura. He was a Japanese biochemist. He is known for the discovery and development of various pharmaceuticals originally occurring in microorganisms. He done his studies in microorganisms. He was awarded this prize in 2015 and in which subject? For physiology medicine jointly with William C. Campbell. He shared this Nobel Prize with William C. Campbell in 2015. Now let's see the second personality in this page. The second personality in this page is Albert Einstein. This name you are very familiar with. You might have seen his picture in many GK books and other science books also you might have seen his picture. This is our famous scientist in the history of world, or famous scientist named Albert Einstein. He was awarded this Nobel Prize in 1921. He discovered the law of photoelectric effect in physics. He was awarded this prize in seven times all around. He was awarded these 7 Nobel Prizes in 7 times. Now the next personality given in our textbook is a lady named Madame Curie or Marie Curie. Then he was also called Madame Curie also. Madame Curie or Marie Curie. Marie Curie is famous for the discovering 2 elements named polonium and radium. But who was she? She was a physicist and chemist. She was awarded Nobel Prize 2 times in 1903 and 1911. 1903 for physics, discovering a spontaneous radiation, and in 1911 she was awarded this prize in chemistry for discovering the radioactivity. The first time this award is shared with her husband Pierre Curie. She is not only, here we have given a file fact also, Marie Curie is recognized not only for her discoveries but also for breaking gender barriers. That means she fight against the gender barriers. The next personality given, the fourth one is, here we have given the Sir Alexander Fleming. He was a Scottish physician and a microbiologist. He discovered penicillin and a lysosome. The penicillin is an antibiotic vaccine which is given for the infectious diseases like TB and other diseases. He was awarded this prize in 1945 for physiology and medicine. So who discovered pencil? There is another question also. Chance to ask who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. This is the personality. The picture here given is Alexander Fleming. Now we'll move to the next personality given here is, the next personality is Hermann Muller. Hermann Muller was an American scientist studied in the field of genetics and molecular biology. He was awarded this Nobel Prize in the year 1946 for the discovery of production of mutations by means of X-ray irradiation. He is a well known for the physiological and genetic effects of radiation. The last personality given in our textbook is William C. Campbell. He was an American Irish biologist and a parasitologist. He born in Ireland and he completed his studies and discoveries in American universities. So he had two citizenships, American and Irish citizenship. He was awarded this prize in 2015 for discovering a novel therapy against infection caused by roundworms. He is famous in the field of parasitic diseases. This is William Campbell. So all the explanation or descriptions I have given, but in our GK book you have to complete the names of this personality, identify these personalities and write their names from the clue box. You complete this page and learn the given scientist names and their discoveries.